As of late 2025, efficiently deleting all or multiple contacts in Google Contacts differs significantly between the web at contacts.google.com and mobile apps on Android and iOS. On the web, you can leverage the search bar to filter contacts, for example by label. Then select all displayed contacts, up to 250 at a time, using the checkbox at the top, and delete them. However, a true delete all button doesn't exist, so you may need to repeat the process for each page of contacts. On mobile, while you can select multiple contacts via a long press and multi-select mode, then use the delete icon, but the process is less streamlined and a delete all option is notably absent. Due to mobile interface limitations, full bulk deletion is web-centric, requiring you to use the web interface for complete removal. Remember, deleting contacts removes them from all synced Google accounts. Proceed with caution and always back up your contacts before performing bulk actions. Before deleting contacts in bulk, understand that deletions are generally irreversible. It's crucial to back up your contacts by exporting them as a CSV file via the web interface. This ensures you can restore them if needed. Also, contacts synced from other sources, like Gmail or your Android device, may reappear if you don't disconnect those accounts from contact syncing. Privacy is a major driver for bulk deletions, especially with regulations like GDPR. Looking forward, AI is playing a bigger role. Google's Contact Insights can flag redundancies and suggest contacts for removal, making the process more proactive. By 2027, predictive deletions based on usage patterns may become standard. While deleting contacts efficiently is improving, cross-device sync delays and the need for manual cleanup on mobile devices remain challenges. Always be aware of Google's data retention policies, as deleted contacts may be recoverable for a period after deletion. Stay updated on changes to Google's interface, as deletion options may vary.